Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Oh, how's everybody doing today? How we doing, Prodigy? Morning, good morning, good morning. Blessed day, yes, sir. I'm doing pretty good. Off to a great start. Had an amazing workout this morning. My trainer personally killed me, but it is what it is. Now let's go ahead and tackle the markets today. I don't want to trade off this chart today. I want to pay attention a little bit more to the divergences. So we're gonna go ahead and mark out both of these levels really quick. All right. Oh my goodness. Well, I know where we're going. We got the change of state delivery yesterday. We're rejecting off this daily volume imbalance. Give us the retest. We short this back down. Personally, I'm honestly only looking for shorts. If you look at this, we have like 4 different things on the daily that pretty much is confirming downside at some point. Rejection of the daily liquidity void. Close below the daily equilibrium block. Close below the volume imbalance. Close below the fair value gap. Everything is pointing to the downside on the daily time frame. So let's go ahead and mark these levels out and just be prepared for today. 60 globally. I do have to have a very tight cutoff at 10 o'clock here today. All right, well, these are the levels we have for today. On NQ, posting the levels now. All right, levels are posted. All right, so basically every single bullish POI got disrespected yesterday. I just want to see a retest of this daily equilibrium block, then look to short this back down. The Strat Soldier video was fire. I was amazed by how some struggle with this concept. I'm not really sure. I it's just kind of at a point where it's like I think people just don't want to succeed. Just honest opinion. Very straightforward. And the people that do want to succeed do succeed. I've literally had a mentee that was we literally only met during his lunch break, and he was trading off his phone, literally off his phone, and he's a very successful futures trader now. I don't know, Mike, if you're in here, you want to chime in? But yeah, hey, trading after seeing that firsthand, it was like, okay, cool. Anybody can succeed in trading. It just comes down to how bad do you want it. If you want it bad enough, you're gonna achieve. All right, so let's see if one of these ES or NQ wants to take this liquidity here. Looks like ES is more likely to take that liquidity. No relative equal lows. Let me open up my charts here. We're literally going to be looking at the lower time frames today. So let's get that secondary time up, 15-minute chart. News at 10 sitting on my hands. Honestly, I'm sitting on my hands, so let's be downside. I don't care what anybody says. You can't convince me that we're not going down. 15-minute primary 5. And we're open. Let the market just do what it wants to do. No point in really trading open, to be honest, until we get clear confirmation of what the market wants to do. Let's go down to this 5-minute. Actually, I need that hourly equilibrium block marked out really quick. Yeah, we're going down here. ES is already dropping. NQ is just doing what NQ does best. Top around before we actually dump. Close below this equilibrium block. That's our first sign of a change of state delivery, and I will be shorting that. just took out that hourly sell side liquidity here on NQ. Just give me that close below that low, and I will be in some puts or shorts. Honestly, I kind of want to get in puts now. We're gonna end up taking next week puts. Like I said, you can't tell me we're not going down. All right. Let's see, what puts do we want to take for next week? Where was that? Because we never took that 525 level that we should have yesterday. Yeah, we never did. Um, Next Friday is what, the 30th? The 30th it is. These puts are really actually inexpensive. I thought they'd be a little bit more expensive than this. Oh, IB's actually low for once. All right, cool. Oh, that's the wrong side. Almost bought calls instead of puts. That would not be a great start to the day. All right, just got filled on some 371 puts at 3.5. All right, we're in puts. I'm waiting to take futures. I still think data pushes us down. Just being realistic here. Let's go down to the lower time frame and actually find a setup. If you do see a lower time frame equilibrium block that I don't see, can you please call that out, please? All right, 5 minute instantly shifted bears projection off the volume imbalance. We're seeing just nothing but downside. What are we down so far? 42 points. Probably going to go down another like 50, 60 points here. Just being realistic. Like that daily candle is just unrealistic. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The daily opening like this, very, very unrealistic. So that's why I'm expecting a lot more downside. We're getting a retest of the what is this? The fair value gap range on a daily. Close below this hourly equilibrium block, dump instantly. We will be going straight down. Hopefully, data maybe pushes us up and gives us some type of a minor retracement. For now, we're kind of not seeing much of a retracement whatsoever. Pretty much as long as we stay below this hourly equilibrium block, we should see more downside to come here. We did just take out hourly sell side here. Next sell side is at 671. Still respecting this 15-minute equilibrium block at this very given point in time. Based on the 5 minute, we did get the change of state delivery. Currently getting a retest. However, we still have 4 minutes left in this 5 minute candle, and we are still. Oh no, we got the body close. We should see more downside here. 37. ES pretty much as long as we stay below that 5 minute volume balance, we see more downside to come. Body close above that volume balance could see a little push up here on ES. What time is that? At 10 o'clock? All right. Very likely we see a push down to 672 next, as long as we stay below this 5 minute equilibrium block here. From confirmation for downside, we pretty much need to see a close below 723 here. Minute left in this 5 minute candle. Snap reaction off the hourly. Yep. Lower time frames, we're still getting this push up here. Looks like we probably won't shoot down until the next 5 minute candle. Just looking off the 3-second chart. However, we are moving up very slow and steady, no real aggression. I'm expecting some displacement down here pretty soon. Probably by the next 5 minute candle. Do we have data at 9:45? Let me double check that. Nope, only 10 o'clock. 30 seconds left in this 5 minute candle. Data at 10. I'm gonna mod the chart real quick. This is what I'm used to. I feel like looking at ES right now is kind of a waste of time. Still respecting the hourly equilibrium block at this very given point in time. Based on the 5 minutes, as long as we stay below this 5 minute fair value gap range, we see more downside. 34.50. I'm just not convinced that we go up at all based on this very slow and stagnant price action to the upside. At some point, we're going to get displacement. And the moment we do get that displacement down, I will be looking to short this down. I have to get an entry here off like the 2 minute or something. All right, so based on the 2 minute, the moment I see a close below 725, I am shorting this. Based on the 5 minute, as long as we stay down below that 5 minute equilibrium block, we see more downside. We'll get our first confirmation with the 2 minute, if that is going to hold up pretty much. Hourly is currently bearish. Daily is still bullish at this very given point in time. However, even on the daily time frame, we went up very slow and steady. So far, still getting a rejection off the 5-minute fair value gap range. Just need to see it close below this 2-minute here, and we will be short. So far, 2-minute is still holding up intact. Minute left in this 2-minute candle here. All right, get ready. Get ready to short this. We're going down. We're about to form a bearish 5-minute equilibrium block. Like, this is probably like one of those days where one contract literally pays you out probably $3,000 realistically. Eight seconds left. Just need to see this close below this 2-minute here. Alrighty. Let's short this. Entries at 725. We did just wick into it. I kind of want to see another wick back up really quick. All right, just got wicked in at 726 here. Pretty much just want to see the body close stay below this 2-minute equilibrium block, 2-minute IFPG remain intact, and look for more downside. And 5-minute not create a bullish equilibrium block whatsoever. Looking to take this down to pretty much that hourly sell side, also pair with midnight open. Stop loss is 743. Pretty much don't want to see a body close really over the 2-minute equilibrium block, but we'll see. 5 minute needs to stay below that 5 minute volume imbalance as well. Or not volume imbalance, fair value gap. 40 seconds left in this 2 minute candle. 15 seconds left in this candle here. And we got the close. That's nasty. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Just close my position. 5 minutes trying to form a bullish equilibrium block. We're gonna have to give it some more time here. However, we did just form a 5 minute equilibrium block pretty much back at this range. So once I see a body close below this, that's where I'll pretty much have clear confirmation we're 100% going back down. For now, we're just going to be patient, waiting for data. Data comes out in 10 minutes. Yep, pretty much just formed here. So we're going to see that expansion back to the upside. We're also coming off the hourly, and we also took hourly sell side. With that being said, very likely this is signaling more upside to, where is this? This buy side liquidity we have at 831. However, data can easily change everything, so just give it a second. Based on the 2 minute, we did just flip back bullish. We closed back over the equilibrium block. We closed back over the 2 minute fair value gap, and we closed over the 5 minute fair value gap, which is signaling more upside to come. I mean, you do have that 5 minute equilibrium block. Daily is bullish. I am just gonna wait for data here. If we are gonna go down, we have to pretty much close below this equilibrium block until, as long as this 5 minute equilibrium block remains intact, we're gonna see more upside to come here. I'll probably trade like 5 minutes past data here. Tech, semis and tech, 99% green for now. Okay, okay. Cool. All right, so based on the 5 minute time frame, pretty much as long as we hold up above 720, we see more upside. We can easily still flip bearish, but I will not be shorting anything until I see it close below the 5 minute. 2 minute kind of failed me. Currently getting a rejection here off this 1 minute. We're just gonna stay on the 5 minute time frame today. I'm not gonna lie. 5 minute time frame is kind of all you need. Been offline most of the week. Hope y'all been crushing it. Yeah, every day's been pretty solid. Just kind of a little disappointed in myself yesterday. Should have been a way better day than what it turned out to be, considering the numerous amount of setups we were given. Um, Literally profited what 1,500 yesterday. Should have been way more, but it is what it is. It's a 15-minute equilibrium block. Let's go check it out. Yeah, we're still respecting that level. Close below this 15-minute equilibrium block also lines up with the close below the 5-minute equilibrium block. So that'll be two different levels of confluence for downside. Currently rejecting the 15-minute volume imbalance. Pretty much as long as we stay below the 15-minute volume imbalance, we're kind of just in a chop range. Bearish price action is getting respected on the higher time frame. Bullish price action is getting respected on the lower time frame. However, the daily is bullish, which means trend is bullish. Hourly is the only thing right now that's currently bearish. Long at 734. That's a nasty long. Great trade, brother. Pretty much we get confirmation we push back higher once we get this close back over this 15-minute volume imbalance. Hourly is still getting respected at this very given point in time. 5 minutes left in the hourly candle. All right, so we got that 5-hour equilibrium block there, the daily. All right, so very likely we probably do see a push up to the daily equilibrium block, probably off this low. I'm not gonna lie. You probably just bought the bottom. Two. All right, cool. Yeah, you definitely just bought the bottom. ES potentially may give us a setup here. It kind of just wicked back into it. ES just flipped back bullish here. We have a retest at 56.26. However, high of the day is right there. The better of the long entry would actually be on NQ over ES. 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Close over that 15-minute volume imbalance. We're going to see a lot more upside to come here. I'm bearish on the higher time frame, like even to the point to where if we come back and retest this daily equilibrium block, like I'm not worried. I'm very likely that's probably what is going to happen. And then I'll look to pretty much add to that short position. The short position is based off the daily time frame, so that's why I bought next week contracts. Next Friday, We start to see the downside. What's going on? Just gotta be patient here. Patiently waiting. Shit, is that a 30-minute equilibrium block? It is a 30-minute equilibrium block. All right, pretty much we got everything at this 729 level, and then also at this 721 level. So pretty much close below 721. We should see some expansion back down. That would be the 30-minute change state delivery. We got 2 minutes left. As long as we hold this up, we see more upside to come. 5 minutes, as long as we hold up this 5-minute equilibrium block, we got more upside to come as well. I step back in pretty much exactly at your level again, Prodigy. For bullish, we need to see a close back above this volume imbalance here within the next 1 minute and 40 seconds. That's pretty much your confirmation. Buyers are 100% here. If we hold up this pretty much equilibrium block here on the 5-minute time frame and the hourly time frame here, that bearish bias will kind of get diminished here for the next like 15 minutes. Look for an expansion back to the upside before going back down. A minute left in this hourly candle. Let's see what we want to do here. Data comes out here in 1 minute. If we start tanking, my finger is on the sell. Not gonna lie. Seconds left. All right, we're already getting the crazy wicks down. My finger is on the sell for this data. I'm not gonna lie. We're so focused on the sell than the buy if it comes. We'll see. And we're getting the buys. That's the bottom. 5-minute equilibrium block held up for the win. All right, so we're going to see expansion up to the daily equilibrium block before we see any more downside to come. Buy side's about to get taken out here. Minute close over that level. We're going to see more expansion. We're about to go take out this buy side liquidity. Right, we just took out buy side. And we are up 100 points in a matter of a minute. Based on the 1 minute, as long as we hold up this 1 minute volume imbalance, we see more upside. 30-minute, we need to see a close over 815. We get the close over 815. We see a lot more upside to come. ES's 5-minute equilibrium block held up as well. We saw the massive expansion off of this range. ES is also up 25 points from off of that 5-minute equilibrium block. And that is the downside of me kind of having a short bias today. I'm not going to lie. One minute, currently getting a slight rejection here. No real rejection just yet. However, we did drop 30 points already. Volatility is here. That's what I love to see. Daily is extremely bullish still. Hourly is extremely bullish as well. 1 minute currently respecting the 1 minute fair value gap range. Very likely push down to this 1 minute volume imbalance here in a second. One minute still respecting bullish price action. It's a high, low, higher, high. FEG lined up with the breaker. Okay. Nailed it. 3K across all your counts. Let's go, brother. Your YouTube stream is less delayed than before. Not sure what you did, but nice job. All right. I really don't know what I did. I think I just updated OBS because I tried to change it, but it literally would not change. Or you can't. There's no setting for it on YouTube necessarily. There's a setting for Twitch stream delay, but on YouTube, there's no setting for some odd reason. Hey, could this be the downside we're getting? Is this our confirmation? Manipulation leg up, shoot back down. It's looking like it. It sure is looking like it. 1 minute, disrespected the volume imbalance, kind of respecting the IFEG. Just give me confirmation. Three-minute looks like we're trying to form a bullish equilibrium block on a 3-minute time frame here. What is this? We just got the retest of the breaker. Off the 5-minute, buyer stepped in perfectly. Inflation data is affecting this trade. I got time on Qs, so I'm not really worried about Qs. Kind of just wanting to see if we actually see anything on ES or not ES on NQ right now for futures. Uh, Based on the 2 minute, looks like we're still holding up the daily equilibrium block to where we likely see more expansion to the upside. Looking at the 1 minute here, if we we disrespected the fair value gap range, so very likely we see more upside to come. Likely we're about to create some type of divergence between ES and NQ. Let's see which one wants to take out the highs here. ES formed a bearish 1 minute equilibrium block, respected the volume imbalance. NQ did not respect the volume imbalance. Closed back over this equilibrium block. We see more upside to come here on ES. And we closed above the equilibrium block on NQ, so NQ is likely going to take out the high. ES might not. So NQ, we're currently seeing expansion back up to the highs here. Crazy. ES looks like it's going to be the one to take out the high over NQ. And we're seeing the more expansion to the upside from this level. Where's next buy side liquidity? Next buy side we have is pretty much yesterday's high. Yeah, yesterday's high. The short is based off the daily time frame, so obviously if this does close back over the daily equilibrium block base pretty much in the next 6 hours, I will close out. I'll watch it towards the end of the day for the QQQ puts for next week Friday. For now, we're still seeing nothing but bullish price action. Just got the retest of the daily liquidity void. Gold and everything else is ripping. These candles just don't make any sense, based on the daily time frame at least. Yeah, even ES's daily candle has no bottom wick. What is our coin position doing? Okay. Yeah, I mean, coin's working out, but this slow and steady price action, we're not really getting paid for this whatsoever. Where's that Tesla? Tesla's struggling. Where's that SMCI? Shout out to you, JJ. Trading common stocks, I've kind of fell in love with them. Not gonna lie. And it's just because you can put a very, very substantial amount of capital in common stocks, and you really don't care. Just because, honestly, let's just say SMCI didn't respect, what are we getting at, 5, I think 502. I could literally wait 2 years and eventually it'll be back at 502. Rate cut, good news. Does it say good news or gold news? Good news. Waiting for another equilibrium block setup. Based on this current price action, we probably aren't going to see anything for a minute. Yeah, SMCI, this trade is by far one of the largest trades I've ever placed. It would have been with NVIDIA as well, but hey, we never got filled. So SMCI gave us the opportunity. I think still on sleep mode. Based on a 1 minute, pretty much we got to hold up above this 1 minute equilibrium block. We see more upside. Oh, excuse me. We see more upside to come. This is definitely an equilibrium block on some time frame. What time frame is it? Not sure. Not the 5 minute. Kind of like the 3 minute. It'd be a weird time frame. Is that possible? No, we can't do that. Alrighty. 1 minute starting to shift bearish. If I get a close back up below 810, that's where I will be looking to add to puts. I'll take one ad and pretty much leave it and let it run. I'm still not convinced by this move, and especially considering yesterday we had this crazy aggressive displacement to the downside, and we did not respect the volume imbalance whatsoever. We just disrespected the 1 minute IFBG. However, buyers are very aggressive here. Likely we see more upside to come based off this 1 minute. You get your confirmation over 883 here. Oh, it's a 4 minute. That's what it is. It is a 4 minute. Okay. Appreciate the insight, brother. Why is my charts not showing how it should be? Friday, 1 minute. We're starting to get this price action back down here. Holy shit, we just dropped 50 points in a matter of a second. Now the downside wants to come. Is it? Is it? Am I right? I'm looking like I'm right. We'll see. Calls below that 4 minute equilibrium block. I'm shorting the hell out of this market. That's the only reason why I'm still here. I'm just waiting for this short. I think this short is coming. Like I said, that daily candle is unrealistic. Like I've never seen that a day in my life, and I've been trading for 5 years now. And we're back at square one pretty much. All right, cool. I need to see the change state delivery. Give me the change state delivery. This time I'm waiting for confirmation. This is what I've been waiting for all day. We tried the short the first time. Didn't work out. It's A-okay to get stopped out. Now we're going to try this again. I just need to wait for confirmation here. 4 minutes pretty much going to tell us everything. 4 minute and a 5 minute. That ES take out liquidity. ES did not take out liquidity. NQ did not take out liquidity either. Both of them are about to offer a 4 minute change state delivery. Give me that, and I am short. Just patiently waiting. What is a 60 minute? Where is this? Back here. Let's see it. Rejection off of this 60 as well. Still no body close over this one. Think the short's coming. Just got to be patient here. So far, still holding up the 4 minute equilibrium block on NQ. Here's my Morgan Wallen at. Another change state delivery retest, potentially. Greetings, brother. I've been testing the equilibrium block zone with the wicks, and they're quite accurate on silver and gold. That's valid based on your expertise. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think we got it. I'm gonna go to lower time frames real quick. I need some confirmation here. Lower time frames moving very slow and steady. Going back down now. I need to see a close back below 16 here. Minute left in this 4 minute candle here. So far, we're still just holding up the daily equilibrium block range. We gotta be patient here. Like, I need 100% confirmation to short this just because of how strong trend is to the upside. If we invalidate that 3-minute volume imbalance, also with the 3-minute fair value gap, we flip back bullish. Very likely we're about to create a 1-minute IFPG back bullish here. And that's why I love watching the lower time frames as well, just because you get clear confirmation. You don't want to really have to force anything. We're just not respecting bearish price action whatsoever. But we are having a lot of volatility. We just went down 100 points, back up 100 points, back down 100 points, and back up 100 points. Crazy trading music. What other confirmation do you need for a short? I need to see some bearish price action. I need to see like back to back bearish price action get respected. So far, every time we get some type of bearish price action, we pretty much get bought back up. Like if you look at the 4-minute, we pretty much just shifted back bullish again. We did get a change of state delivery, which equals we can push down a little later. However, at this very given point in time, like right now, the present moment, we are still bullish. And we just formed a 5-minute order block. So pretty much as long as price respects this order block, we see more upside to come. What other data do we have? What time is it? Friday, next data, 11 o'clock. Well, let's see, orange folder. He's a great singer. Started messing with a woman that kind of put me on country music, not gonna lie. It's a vibe. Nah, I'm good, brother. anything, my short bias hurt me today. That literally could have been a $6,000 trade in a matter of a minute. That's the main reason why I don't enjoy trading the daily time frame. Just because very likely it's trade setup's probably going to work out. It's just a matter of when. Lower time frame still supporting absolutely nothing but bullish price action. Oh, we just took out these relative equal highs. Let me see. Let's see, we got a setup here. I really don't want to enter off the 2 minute, but the 2 minutes kind of looking appealing right now. It's the 1 minute, it's not even the 2 minute. Create a 2 minute IFBG, got the change state delivery back bullish, pretty much bullish on all time frames here. Retest of this 5 minute order block would be great to take some longs off of, just because of how volatile price is at this very given point in time. Was it like a 50-point move up if we get the retest? Yeah, 50-point move up. Also paired with the 2 minute IFBG. If we get a long, this is where it's going to be, pretty much back at this range. I'd want to take some longs around 850, take this back up to the high of the day. Let me see if there's any divergence between ES and NQ. All right, so NQ took high of the day. ES did not take high of the day. Keep that on watch. I would not short anything until I see a close back below pretty much that 4 minute equilibrium block. Or the 5 minute order block, either or. And I guess I'll do a quick little lesson here on the difference between the equilibrium block and order block. Pretty much notice how this is the last down close candle that creates the order block. The equilibrium block is on a 4 minute time frame, pretty much. Notice how the bodies are pretty much equal inside of both of these ranges. And that's the difference between the equilibrium block and order block. So far, still price is supporting nothing but bullish price action here. All right, I'll give this literally like 2 more minutes here. I just want to see if we get this retest of either the 4 minute equilibrium block that formed or the 5 minute order block. There is a little bit of divergence between ES and NQ. ES made the lower high, NQ made the higher high. pretty much want to see here. I'm going to 3-second chart. Want to see if buyers actually stepping off this range. So far, buyers are not here just yet. One minute supporting bearish price action at this very given point in time. Looking at the 3-second chart, I am not convinced buyers are here just yet.
Like whiskey, how they wake up, take on off, not even miss me. Leave this heart broken, holding that smoking gun.
Yeah, the vibe for today is some country music.
That's just the way them wild horses run. Let 'em run. Long live cowgirls.
Morgan Wallen to be exact. All right, now buyers are starting to step in here. We shift back bullets once we invalidate this bearish fair value gap range. However, based on this very slow and steady price action up on a 3-second chart, it looks like we're going to get another push down before actually pushing back up if buyers are here. One minute still supporting bearish price action. Give me that change of state delivery, and I am in there. We're at the second half of the candle here.
Yeah, long live cowgirls.
Some things that I have to do while I wait for this trade setup to actually form here. Uh, 1040, I have to do a hard cutoff. Just drive 45 minutes. Sheesh. All right, I might have to do a hard cutoff almost like right now. Close below this 4-minute equilibrium block, we get this push down. I go to Morgan Wallen song.
Last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you love to fight, and I say shit I don't mean, but
Lower time frames are supporting bearish price action still. We could get the change of state delivery potentially. Go ahead and get this pretty much detailed game plan out. Is there an order block on a 5-minute? There is an order block on a 5-minute. This is your order block right here. Falls below this range, turns into a breaker, and likely we come back down to data lows here. You as well, Prodigy. Hope you have a blessed and safe weekend here. $57 seconds left. So far, buyers are pretty much not here just yet. We're still just respecting the daily equilibrium block. No body close below this range. Enjoying the stream. First song I heard when I moved to Canada. What part of Canada, brother? Alright, we got the change state delivery. I'll look back at the charts and like once I get to my destination. We should get some downside here though. Pretty soon. Still holding up this damn daily equilibrium block. Pretty much need to see a body close below this range, at least on like the 5-minute time frame. That's going to signal more downside. That will push us back down to pretty much like the lows here. Pretty much data lows at 752. It's about a 50-point short. Five-minute volume imbalance paired with the fair value gap. I see it. We did close below the order block, so very likely we see some downside. It's just a matter of when. And I'm not going to be here waiting for this downside to come when it's just been stagnant. Waiting to see some displacement, and honestly, based on the current price action, we're probably going to see some retracement back to the upside before just seeing some downside here. We do have QQQ puts, so just be patient here to let those actually fully play out. Oh, he finally closed below that level. Retest of the 4-minute equilibrium blocks at 8:26. Alright, headed off here. You guys have a blessed rest of your day. We pretty much get confirmation shorts work out once we see a close back below this daily equilibrium block. Currently, we're just kind of chopping back and forth here at this very given point in time. 1 minute is shifting back bullish. We're getting a retracement like we just talked about. Very likely we see some expansion back up to like 852. I'll go ahead and set an alert here. We'll just set an alert. Alright, pretty much got an alert set. Once I see the body close back below this range, need to see the full body close. And I will be looking to adding to puts here. If we close back over the daily equilibrium block, that's where I'll stop out. Here we go, trying to get this push down here. And now we get the dump. Let's go. Daily equilibrium block for the win. I think we go all the way back down to low of the day here. Let me see. Let me get in this short really quick. I'm literally about to let this short run because I can see this dropping a lot more for the rest of the day. And we gave back all of data lows already.
I remember sitting at that house, living room couch, thinking no way them boys wouldn't win. Between them big three pitchers, Andrew and Chipper, it's gonna be hard to keep up with the Joneses. But as fate would have it, that Atlanta Magic got put out by them damn Padres. I guess destiny ain't always meant.
All right, everybody. We're getting this push down. We just got in quite early. Close below the hourly equilibrium block gives us confirmation from this point on. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys later. You guys have a safe and great weekend. Right, and here goes the downside. And we're already down like 200 plus points or 100 points. 200 points from the highs. Let's go. I will see you guys later. Now we just need to, oh, we already got the close. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Payday, ladies and gentlemen. Payday, payday, payday. Patience pays. Trust your damn edge. Like I said, that daily candle was a damn lie. You could not fool me twice. That daily candle is physically impossible to get created. Alrighty, I will see you guys later.